People have been saying to us, oh, are you building such a small house? Like, if you're gonna build a house, just build a monster. We actually prefer quality over quantity in every aspect of our life.
Like a boss.
The other day we went over to Tour Atlantic. It's our first dream home. It's gonna be an absolute beautiful property and we're pumped for it.
Oh, it's gonna be a beauty. The house itself is going to be beautiful. The ceilings are like 10-foot, gorgeous vaulted ceilings. It's right across from the water. It's gonna have an upper deck, a lower deck. We're gonna sit out there every night and look at the ocean, which provides us with so much happiness.
And this spot is very special to us. Beth, my wife, and I, we've bought and sold literally hundreds of homes at this point, but we've never actually owned our own home. Then finally, we come across a property that it feels right. This is gonna be a 1,056 square foot, 2-bed, 2 full bath house. Size is not important to us, but it's gonna be like our retreat. Really small first floor, a beautiful countertop over here. This is gonna be all the kitchen with an island. You got the 10-foot ceilings. All right, you normally don't have 10-foot ceilings. So this is gonna be all like living, dining. We're gonna have a beautiful fireplace here. This is gonna be pretty much my bathroom. I'm gonna be relegated down to the first floor because Beth's gonna have the sanctuary upstairs. And then as we come up the stairs, the statement of the house is you're gonna have window, window, window as you walk up the staircase. We're calling it a 2-bed. It's honestly truly a 1-bed. Right in the corner over here, we're gonna have our office. You got the 10-foot ceilings and then they pitch up. So we're gonna have these cathedral ceilings, give the illusion that the house feels a lot bigger than it actually is, because it's a small house. This will be Beth's bath. Beth's from England, she needs a soaking tub. Stunning shower, you walk through the shower, that's when you get into your sauna. You work like a dog all day, you come back 8 o'clock at night, finally settle, have dinner. Me and Beth walk out the deck, look at the ocean. I mean, this is what it's about for us, right? You gotta treat your wife right, man. She grinds for all these years for you, you gotta do it right.
Everything's going to be designed by Cedar House, who are these really high-end interior designers. The view itself, it's across from the Atlantic, which separates England and America. You know, that's the ocean that separated us initially.
She came over to America after being with me for 1.5 years. She lived in an attic with me, in a basement with me, in an old house with me, all trusting that this process was gonna work. So finally, I get to build her like the ultimate luxury home on the water. And then obviously it's not just a gift from me to you, because you've done at least 50% of all the work, but I'm gonna be really excited to give that to you.
Yeah, it's a nice value we're gonna be able to share together.
Like a boss.